guys, Miss Richo here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a line graph. So here's our data. What we're taking our data from is the weather. If you go into the weather forecast for Hampton Park, you'll see that if we click on Thursday, you've got Thursday's weather, Friday's weather, Saturday's weather, Sunday, Monday, and so on. You've got times 3, 6, 9. So it's going in 3 hours. And as you can see at 3 p.m. it was 13 degrees. So what we're going to do is create a table first in Google Sheets, and then we're going to convert it to a line graph. So first of all, in Google Classroom, add a Google Sheet in here. So we press on plus Google Sheet and it loads. Then we go up to here and we want to rename it because we don't want to call it just data charts and then the date. What we want to do is click on here and drag across, and we want to call it a line graph. So looking at the data, what we've got here is we've got the time. So we're looking at Thursday. We've got the times of 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m., 12 a.m., 3 a.m., and so on. And then we've got the degrees here. So what we need to do is go into our line graph and start with times up here. So the first column is times, and then in the second column is temperature. So I'm going to convert these temperatures and add these to my line graph, and I'm swapping between tabs to make it a little bit easier. Now a quick way to do that is I've put in 3 p.m., 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. If I click and drag this, there's a little shortcut that will take the data and add to it. So if I click and drag, it then recognizes the 3-hour gap in between. So what happens is Excel or Google Sheets, what it does is then adds those times like so. Then all we do is then we enter the temperature here. So we go back to the forecast and we check all the data out here, and we want to add those temperatures in there. And there you go. There's my table. Select the table like so, insert chart here, which automatically pops into the line graph. And as you can see, temperatures are up the side. The times of the day are in here like so. So you can see that in the afternoon it's quite warm. Overnight it lowers down in degrees and then comes back up to noon in a higher temperature there. Hampton Park temperature. There are ways of changing your line graph, and that is all done up on this side, and you could use like a dot scattered chart, but we're going to stick with a line graph. So that's how we do a basic line graph.